For some pro trading reaction to the stock market this week, we have Alan Neckman, the Chief Market Strategist at St. Paul Research, on the job for us. Hi, Alan.
Hello, Angie. Great news on this comeback climb that we've seen in stocks, but we haven't seen broad breadth just yet.
Tell us about your latest stocks that have a pop.
All right, let's talk about our positions. Not much happening. We've got August Place, Intel, Rocket, Micron, and Hewlett-Packard Enterprises still waiting for a tech takeoff, and a lot of earnings are coming out this week that could really impact that sector, besides the FANGs. September, we've got Freeport-McMoRan. Again, the dollar's heading down. That could be positive. And October option, we've got a China Life that has 3 months.
What's your new trade?
Now, speaking of China, this China chop is a challenge. Now, we've seen an unkind unwind, and now we're looking for some stocks here that have some value after a big sell-off. So we had a power player that paid off well 2 weeks ago. We looked at WB. It was a 200% gain in the option play. That's why we play options. Now it's set up. It's been trading between 45 and 65 since March. So 55 is a very important pivot point that we want to watch on a weekly basis. I'm looking at the August 55 call, and this is set up. We could see a short squeeze shock with these stocks that have been sold down. Webull is 15% off the top. So let's see if we can wind this up one more time.
How about your trading day takeaways?
All right, trading takeaway number one. Again, it's AAA. All about Apple. Earnings yesterday here, we were pricing at about a 4.5% measured move based upon what the options markets were telling us. Now, it's important because Apple's been such a bellwether stock in this tech boom back to its highs and has really supported that sector. Number two, Slashline. The S&P is up 17% in 2021. It's up 35% in the last year, and it's up a full 100% since the March of 2020 low. So it's still strength to go. And what we've seen here is also the VIX. It's been a full month since it's made new lows. So that could be a positive sign. Down VIX means more S&P up. And number three, bad breath. That's the theme here. Well, the broad markets continually held the 50-day moving average and bounced big every time it got close. Only 35% of the S&P stocks are above that critical 50-day technical measure. So that means most of the market members need to move higher to see this momentum continue.
Always good to get your trader talk. Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.